Hello friends, today's topic 16 stocks very reasonably priced below 200 days moving average. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. For the last 2 months, Nifty has broadly moved in the range of 21,500 to 22,500. However, similarly, many individual stocks are also moving in a narrow range. This is due to many investors, especially large institutional investors, waiting for the elections and the results to be announced. For short term, many people use 30 DMA as an indicator to know when to buy and sell. For long term, many people use 200 DMA as an indicator to see how low or high a stock price with respect to its 200 DMA. 200 DMA is the average price of the previous 200 days of a stock. That means 40 trading weeks. Usually, when a stock or index is below its 200 DMA, it means it is in a bearish phase. There are many stocks among the top 100 in terms of market cap in India which are trading below their 200 DMA. However, it can also be seen that if a stock is below 200 DMA, then it is an opportunity to be contrarian and maybe stock market is closer to the bottom. We have compiled a list of leading stocks which are currently below 200 days moving average so that you can research further. Stocks below 200 days moving average. 1. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 200 DMA 1792, approximate current price 1785 and minus 0.4% 200 days below. 2. HDFC Bank, 200 DMA 1557 versus approximate current price 1550 below minus 0.4%. 3. ITC 200 days DMA 444 approximate current price 428 and minus 3.6% below 200 days moving average. 4. HDFC Life 200 DMA 633 current actual price 629 minus 0.6%. 5. HUL 200 days moving average 2509 approximate current price 2267 minus 9.6%, that is below 200 days moving average. 6. Britannia Industries 200 days moving average 4836 approximate current price 4813 and minus 0.5% below 200 days moving average. 7. LTI Mindtree 200 days moving average 5360 approximate current price 4928 minus 8.1%. 8. Infosys 200 days moving average 1486 current price 1479 and minus 0.5%. 9. Asian Paint 200 days moving average 3158 current price 2883 and percentage below 200 days moving average minus 8.7%. 10. Bajaj Finance 200 moving average 7252 approximate current price 7176 and percentage below 200 moving average minus 1.1%. Coming to the 11th stock, Dabur 200 days moving average 548 approximate current price 508 and percentage below 200 days moving average minus 7.3%. 12. Berger Paints 576 versus 562 minus 2.4%. 13. Shree Cement 200 days moving average 25,494 approximate current price 25,811 and minus 1.2%. 14. SBI Cards 200 days moving average 780 approximate current price 730 and percentage below 200 days moving average minus 6.4%. 15. Page Industries 200 days moving average 37,646 and approximate current price 34,168 and percentage below 200 days moving average minus 9.2%. 16. Marico 200 days moving average 538 approximate current price 510 percentage below 200 days moving average minus 5.2%. Observe these stocks and do further research to decide whether they are worth buying either for short term or long term. Of course, for investing long term, fundamental analysis has to be done before taking a final decision. Good companies usually don't stay below 200 days moving average for a very long time. End of the video, here is a question. What do you wish for after the elections for the next 6 months? There are 3 wishes for you. 1. Rally for the markets. 2. Correction in the markets. 3. Flat markets. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.